In the U.S., most states have no general law that says citizens have a duty to stop and render aid. In other words, no one can sue you if you don't stop to help. This does not apply, however, if you are in any way a part of a car accident. It may seem like common sense to help someone injured or in peril. However, there is something called the bystander effect. The more people there are, the less likely any individual will render aid. Others are reluctant for fear of being sued or claiming, "It's not my responsibility." The Good Samaritan is a doctrine of law that gives legal protection to a person who comes to the aid of an injured or ill person, without expectation of compensation, from being liable for negligence as long as the volunteer aid giver acted with reasonable care and without gross negligence. Purpose of the Good Samaritan: to encourage Good Samaritans to come to the aid of others, and to reduce the reluctance of bystanders to help an injured or ill person for fear of being sued for causing death or injury. Nevada's Good Samaritan law allows bystanders to help in an emergency without having to worry about facing legal liability for the care they provide. Under Nevada's Good Samaritan law, when a person encounters an emergency and makes an honest effort to provide help, they're not liable if they make mistakes. The Good Samaritan law originates from the biblical parable, in which a man who is beaten and left for dead is rescued and offered aid by a person of opposing beliefs. The parable teaches that people are to help one another, friends and enemies alike. The Good Samaritan law promotes citizens to take care of one another without fear of legal consequences.